Now, before we get started with Safari Animals coloring pages, I invite you to work with my internet coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, and they will help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you are interested, make sure you click the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review of Safari Animals coloring pages. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus, Affiliate Marketing Made Easy, explains the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. The second bonus, you can access our full-length 28 videos from our executive series. Now, every video is professionally designed and includes an introduction, a content roadmap, and discussion points. And they represent today's best executive practices. Bonus number 3 is Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself PLR Bundle. Now, this is a deep dive into why men have difficulty living a balanced lifestyle and what they can do about it. It includes a 15,000 ebook or 15,000 word ebook, 48 man up tips, references, 10 articles, free images, 3 infographics, 4 posters, checklists, email follow-up, sales material, and a further 6 bonuses. And bonus number 4 shows you the changing workplace and how leaders influence change PLR. And these are practical strategies and constructive approaches and ways to engage people to make positive changes within an organization. It's a great resource for consultants, coaches, bloggers, marketers, and leaders of all stripes. And bonus number 5 fits in with this particular product in that it provides several children's dinosaur ebooks and coloring books. And they're all designed to keep the little ones busy. So this is another PLR bundle with unrestricted PLR rights. Now, the vendor of Safari Animals coloring pages is Trevor Carr. And yes, he is one of my coaches. He's a well-known creator and vendor who started his internet journey broke and almost bankrupt, and has since climbed to be one of the best top internet marketers in the world. And I believe he is someone you can trust. In a nutshell, Safari Animals Color Pages is a vast collection of coloring images that you can turn into books and start selling pronto. Not only that, you receive 6 exclusive bonuses along with the ones you receive from me. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. You get 500 Safari Animals coloring pages, full resizable images, high quality images, and JPEG files. You can use the images to create ebooks. All the pages are new. I believe they have never been seen before. All images come with PLR rights. And the bonuses include 100 farm life coloring pages, 400 kids AI images, exclusive training on how to sell coloring books, exclusive one-on-one support, and complete unrestricted PLR to all coloring pages, and training on how to create coloring books using Canva, and much more. Here's a quick peek at the pages. Now, the sales funnel, the front end is only $9.95, and that really is a great deal, folks. Now, there are 5 upsells with this product, all within very reasonable price range, so grab all of them and you will not be disappointed. And watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but you might get less product or a different product. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And Trevor will tell you all about Safari Animals coloring pages. Now, my 5 bonuses, plus that $10,000 a month opportunity, plus 6 more bonuses from this product, plus 6 more bonuses from the Man Up Men opportunity. So my 6 bonuses are affiliate marketing made easy, access to our full-length 28 videos from our executive series, Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself PLR bundle, The Changing Workplace, How Leaders Influence Change PLR package, and several children's dinosaur ebooks and coloring books that are designed to keep your kids busy. Now, thank you for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.